Not looking so glorious at the moment, but I'll get there. Oh, hot coffee for the once. Oh, delicious. So today I'm going to look at a few new items that I purchased from my local makeup store. Shout in the description below. I normally use an El Mascara blusher, creme blusher that blends in. As you can see, I'm just sort of getting halfway through the foundation, which you can see I'm using contouring, but I'm going to give that a go. Also, just inconsequential really, little travel mini brush. So you pull it out, little slider, like a pen slider, and then you turn it around and just use it to push it up. So I'm just going to use that as a travel lip brush. Then you pull it out and the brush retracts, and then the top goes back on. Not bad for $2.50. Then, because I've been very disappointed recently with the quality of eyelash glue, I use the black setting eyelash glue. The clear ones just don't hack it. The ones that come in the packet, oh god, I've just bin them. So I've got these eyelashes that I'm going to double up together, but I thought, Christ almighty, £8 Eyelure top of the range black eyelash glue. So I'm going to give that a go. Let's see what happens. Anyway, let's get the wrapping off. So here we are, creamy blusher, apparently very indulgent. I normally use this brush for my cream blusher, so I'm just getting the majority of the El Mascara off on a bit of tissue. And away I go. Let's see what happens. So as you can see, I'm just popping it out. On she goes. And then, oh, there we go. I use one of my older sponges to blend in. Okay, first things first. I put too much on, but it's a live and learn job, isn't it? So just padding, just a bit of tissue there, just padding some off. There we go. Yeah, that nice tick mark that I like. Obviously you can do your blusher however you fancy. There we go. So I'm just using the normal sponge to blend it in. There we go. And let's see if I can mess up the other side as well. There we go. Not bad. There we go. Didn't put as much on that side, then didn't have to scrape half of it off, which is good. Quite impressed with that. That seems to be absolutely fine. I say I'm impressed with it. I haven't powdered down yet, so give me 30 seconds. Let's see how that powders. will do for a future video. Actually, no, I'll keep that to myself. I don't want people nicking my ideas, but it'll be useful. A useful video. All I can say is I only hope that my videos help. There's somebody out there that these videos just give a little bit of insight, help to, inspire, give confidence to. That's what it's all about. I want you to feel good about yourself, especially those of the trans community. We've taken a kicking recently, they're no fault of our own, and I'm there to support you. There we go. Well, that powers then absolutely beautifully. And now I'll continue finishing the rest and crack on. See you in a moment for the eyelashes. See, finished applying my foundation. As per previous videos, contoured it. Obviously you could see that I've used the cream blusher. So the premise is that it acts, it gives additional tone and depth to your blusher. So all I'm doing now is applying blusher as I normally would, and probably not as much as I normally do, but I am not going to demonstrate blusher again because there's loads of previous videos on that, but you'll see the end results later on. Oh, hello darlings again. Finished. Looking glorious again, I hope. So, the creme blusher. Love it. Good success. Highly recommend it. The lash adhesive eyeliner duo affair, I swapped back to my W7 immediately. It makes an adequate eyeliner, but to double as a lash adhesive, sorry, that was rubbish. So not recommending that in the slightest. Yeah, I'll drop that off the description box. Let's just forget it. I was just hoping to find something that was a little bit better than the W7, because they've changed something. Like so many manufacturers, you find something that really works, they've changed something, this doesn't work as well as it used to, and the nozzle gets gummed up as well. Not happy, not happy. And I moved onto this from the Duo lash adhesive, because again, Duo had a really, really good product. They changed something in the formula for the adhesive, and I was throwing it. It was just absolutely rubbish. So many things now, not just we're talking makeup, but just generally, you know, that you got a good product, they change something, they're trying to make more money by cutting out on quality products, and people are walking away. So that crap, that adequate Duo, I'm not going back. Anyway, more positive. Look fabulous, everybody.